We are 1 minute away. 1 minute away from another $500 investment here in Sparks, Nevada.
Yes.
We're going to now Rail City Casino.
Why did I think it was Railroad City?
That's a great question. Rail City Casino.
Rail City.
We've been here one time before. We did a casino walk-in tour. We played a game called Zoltar, and it actually paid pretty well.
This is not our third time here?
I think this is our second. Rail City. So we're gonna play $500. If you saw the last two casinos in Sparks, it was actually pretty good. It was unexpected wins.
There's a lot of unexpected. What?
Yeah. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link those two down in the description.
Yes.
So
Crazy.
it's fun.
Yeah.
Here we go. Next stop, Rail City.
Rail City.
We're in restricted space. We can't do any drone shots over here, Grand Sierra, Atlantis, because there's an airport nearby.
Yes.
So Rail City, $500. Let's go have some fun. Got it. She saw this, everybody. Look. Right there. This is the quick hit.
We are on Railroad.
Rail City.
Rail City.
Rail City.
I'm gonna try it.
Put in $100.
Or was it a 10 cents?
10 cent. $8.
$8 bet.
Here we go. We're playing it.
Get it.
Oh. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Two more. Get something. Oh, darn.
All right.
Okay.
I need to get payback on this.
Oh!
Ooh.
We didn't get the free game.
That would
I'd
be
like
nice.
a free game
Me
better.
too. Yeah, I would like it too. Wow. Okay, we have one more chance on that, huh?
Oh,
So we got that. What is that?
$20?
Nice. $20. Cash out.
Yeah.
Go to a different game.
Yeah.
All right. That was good though. At least you got one. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to a different one.
Let's go to a different one.
Oh, a different denom.
Well,
Oh, what's that?
75 cents.
All right, let's go.
Can we try it out?
Yeah. Oh.
Almost went back.
Boom.
Oh. We lost it.
Oh, oops.
Alright. There's still more. No, I'm good.
You're good.
No.
All right, let's go to here.
That was a bonus.
We're gonna try Sun Moon.
This one?
Yeah, Sun Moon. We haven't played this game at all. Second 100 going in. Okay. So we're gonna do max bet.
What's a max bet?
It'd be 20 lines. Max bet is $2.
Okay.
That's not bad at all. We're not tripping over.
Does it change?
There's no volume or anything. Oh, what's that?
It's the pyramid. You got 50 cents back.
Oh. One more of those? No? Oh, it's a pyramid. Okay.
Those are wilds?
Oh, we got $4 back.
Oh, wow. Those are also
Oh, dream
I
result.
have
I like
no
look, it says
idea.
dream result.
nice.
That's cute.
$5.90. Kings. And tens.
Oh, that's awesome.
That
I'm
is
just
awesome.
repeating what it says up there.
I wonder what we're waiting for.
Scatter. Here, let's look. Okay.
2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. This game is so quiet.
It is quiet. Okay.
What's that?
Nada. Like it can change to something else.
Ah.
That sounds good.
If we get to $50 and nothing happens, I'm jumping to the buffalo next to us, okay?
Okay.
All right.
That sounds good.
Because
to me.
you know what you could do with $40 in the buffalo game.
Buffalo's pretty good. That's been pretty good to us. Is that it?
$13
Oh.
win.
Wow.
It's a wild.
These lines are good.
Now for some real excitement.
Real excitement.
Wait a second, I got the bonus.
Oh.
You got the
Oh,
bonus.
look at you.
I don't know. Now for some real excitement. Okay, here we go. I'd like to see that again.
4 free games remaining.
Ooh, no.
2. Alright. No real excitement this time.
Is this a $2.60 win?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Do you like Sun and Moon?
Can I? That's not a good. Can I try a buffalo? I mean, that's a bonus round. We could call that as a.
That is a bonus.
Okay, that's a second 100 there, buddy.
Second 100.
All right, second 100. Let's see. Let's go find a different game that was much more exciting than that real excitement. I mean, you could do Eternal Legends by bonus for 100. Right there. There's a bunch of them. You want to do 200 and then play the last one on Buffalo? Oh,
Okay.
want to try it? $200?
Bye. Bonus.
Buy a bonus? Making an executive decision. We're buying a bonus for 200. Just looking away.
Okay.
We're buying the bonus for 200. And then we're gonna use the last 100 on the buffalo or something. Okay, hold on. Let's just leave it there because it's loud. Okay, here we go. $200 buy a bonus. Eternal Legends. We like this game. Oh, jackpot bonus is good though. Jackpot bonus? Because you get the jackpot ones. Because you can get the mini, the minor, the maxi. Alright, here we go.
Give me a minor. A maxi.
Oh, thank you. Mini. Extra coins. Burst it. Mini.
Super coin. What was the stingy one? It's minor.
Oh,
Can I
burst
get the
it.
super coin?
Yeah, right?
Bust one more. Come on.
Save it. Mini. Super coins. Mini or minor. Cool. Here we go.
We got half of our money back
So far,
so far. Half and a half.
let's get a maxi in there or a major.
Drop a word. Drop a word. Drop anything.
One spin left. Here we go. Save it. Yes.
Save it.
Yes.
Drop it. Drop another
Words.
word. Another word. Anything. Drop me anything.
Lots of words. Okay. More realistic, more spins, more chances.
Come on. Don't be a dad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes.
Yes.
Boy.
Boom. The top is not filling in at all.
Not at all.
Save it. Top. Oh my gosh. The top is being. Yeah.
Get it. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
So 2, 4, 6, 8, 100.
We lost half our money.
Almost. Of course.
Yeah. Oh, we lost $20.
Not bad.
we lost $20. Okay.
Alright.
Let's catch that out. Okay. This is our.
This is the best you can hope for. I mean, like, it's like the. What
Yeah.
you would. Not too bad.
So we lost.
Not
This is
too
our
bad.
third and fourth hundred.
179.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
$21.
yeah. Okay,
Not bad,
one
not
game
bad.
left. One game left. Last $100 going in an old school Buffalo. Here we go. We're gonna play 5 reels. Max bet $2. Here we go.
Alright.
Coin. Oh, missed it. Missed it. Does that have multipliers? No, this doesn't have it, huh? Oh, almost.
That's it.
I didn't see it. 2 more. It passed by.
What is it? Did you want to switch to the other one?
No, I'm just looking. I was just wondering if it's different. It's the same. Ooh. Maybe the multipliers are in the bonus round.
Maybe.
Could be.
There's 9.
Ooh. 2 more. Ooh.
Oh,
It was
it
right
passed.
there.
I know. I saw it. Come on. Oh,
I was expecting it on there.
I know, me too. Almost. It's been so good. Queen.
$4 win. Here we go.
Oh.
Stop. It's a dream
You
result.
got the jack.
Yeah.
How much was it? It was
$4.
Fast. Okay, $4. 10. Yeah.
$4.
$4. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Oh.
Right when you
passed.
say it, $2.50 win. $2 win. It's always on the first 2, huh? Tens. $2 win. Seems like this casino slot machines are kind of stingy.
We didn't choose the right one, maybe.
Maybe.
not. Come on, Buffalo.
Yes, you've done it.
Queens. Buffalo. Oh.
First two. It's only first two on this game. It doesn't go into the third.
The third is missing all the time.
Yeah, it's always missing. You know, it's over 100 spins.
Yeah. Well, maybe it's not time for it yet.
Yeah.
But you never know. Still got a couple more.
It's first two. First two on these games. Thought it was time. You know what it's time? It's to cash out.
It is time for us to cash out.
That's over 100 spins. Jeez.
It would have been funny if it came here.
Yeah.
That's
Wow. Wow, that was sad.
That was sad.
That was really sad.
One machine. Well, we didn't win in all in the machines actually. It's all just a loss. We didn't win in one machine.
We didn't win any of the things.
Yeah.
It's all lost.
So 500 in.
500 in. 351 out.
351 out.
That's not like a total loss.
Not a total loss. It's 150 down.
Yeah. Got railed at Rail City.